Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set HSL on the CapCut application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So just open a project, and if you want to set the HSL, just go to the lower bar, tap to the edit at the lower left corner of the screen and click to the adjust button next to the filters. Here you can find the HSL next to the sharpen, tap that, and you can find different colors, and you can set the hue, the saturation and the luminance of that. Just tap to the white circle and just pull on the line, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.